Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sister J28 and welcome to Natural Disaster with Jasmine. Today I'm here with Jasmine. Like I said, that was really dumb of me. I just jumped into the water because I thought it would be safe. But Jasmine already died too. So it looks like I'm not the only loser in this place. Jasmine, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry, but you're my forever sis. I know that. And you should too, if you watch my videos. And if she does, awesome. Keep distance from the fire. There's no fire though. Seriously, there is no fire. There is no fire. You suck too. It's you bad. You bad too? Whee! BRB, you'll get the song. I'm a survivor. Yeah. Hey, this would be a great time to post some videos. What are you doing? A merry-go-round kill. Man, that killed me. You bad. You're bad. You bad. How fast can you type LOL? LOL. Boom. LOL. OMG. Oh, I didn't survive. I jumped into a lake. I jumped into the lake. I jumped into the lake. Yep. Tree. I just hide under things and I survive. It's funny. Just make sure Jasmine's still online. Okay, she is. I know, right? Oh. They all ran this way. I stayed right here. I'm under a tree. I am safe. He has a balloon. Earthquake, get outside. Oh, well. I knocked down a tree. Wee! Ah! Run for your life! Get hit with everything! Woohoo! Party! 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 Woohoo! Yeah! Party! Party! Patata! Party! Party! Patata! Party! Boop-a-doop-boo! Ba-da-ba-doo-ba-doo! You party all night, party all day, party in an earthquake, why not? Yeah. Party all night, party all day, party in an earthquake, what do you say? Hey! Not dying, maybe hoverboarding, tonight, today, anywhere, anytime, any time of day. But I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Woo! Woohoo! Party! 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 Party in an earthquake! Party in an earthquake! I'm gonna make that a new song now. And that's gonna be on YouTube. Woohoo! Party in an earthquake! Party in an earthquake! Party! 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 Party in an earthquake! Woo! Woohoo! Yeah! And all I did was party. I might title this video Party in an Earthquake. I might title this Party in an Earthquake. And then vid. It's like I might title this vid. LOL, yes! Party in an Earthquake. Yes! Party in an earthquake. Party in an earthquake. Party in an earthquake. She's like, LOL, yes! Party in an earthquake. Party in an earthquake. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing, so I'm going to stay outside. Party in an earthquake. Party in an earthquake. I'm having lots of fun. I'm not going to lie. I'm having a lot of fun with this. Party. I'm going to stand right here. Come take me, meteors! Yup. Come take me like a man! Man, you people watching... You guys are crazy for watching my videos. I'm a wackadoo. Just look at that face. Would you trust this face? Put triggered at the bottom, please. That would be awesome. I don't know how to edit though, so I can't. No. Party in an earthquake. Party in an earthquake. Party in an earthquake. Yeah, party in an earthquake. Where's the earthquake? Where's the meteor? Oh my god! Meteors! Ah! It's just like It's just like Duck Life all over again. It's just like Duck Life all over again. Oh my god. Why am I getting closer to the school? I'm just running back and forth, getting closer to the school. Just run away! Ah! Oh, I won. I'm number one. Yeah. It's Duck Life all over again. Send. It's Duck Life all over again. Well, I think that's all the time we have for today's episode. Party and earthquake, guys. Don't actually